In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly download a video from Canva. Whether you're working on a design project or simply want to share your creative work outside of Canva, downloading your video correctly is a critical step. Let's go through each part of the process to ensure everything is crystal clear so you can confidently handle this task on your own. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Canva document. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account and locate the specific document containing your video. Start by opening the project. This is where you'll find the video you've either created or imported into Canva. Having your video correctly situated in your document is essential before moving forward. Next up, confirming the integration of your video is key. Double-check that your desired video is indeed uploaded to your document. If it isn't already there, you may need to upload it from your device or locate it within your Canva media library. Remember, you want the video fully in place before proceeding, as this ensures there are no hiccups during the download process. Now let's get started with the download. Look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen and locate the Share button. Clicking on this will present you with several options, but what you're focusing on here is Download. Clicking Download will open a new set of configurations where you have additional choices. Here's where you'll notice the quality settings. These settings are important because they let you select the resolution that best fits your needs. Whether you opt for a higher resolution or a format that suits quicker load times and smaller files, this is entirely your decision. Canva offers flexibility for varying needs, so take a moment to consider what's right for your project. Once you have configured these settings, you simply finalize the download by clicking the appropriate button. Canva will then process your request and start downloading the video to your designated download folder on your computer. This might take some time depending on the file's length and resolution setting picked, so patience is key here, and just like that, you're done. Your video is now saved locally on your device and ready for whatever you have planned next. Whether you're sharing it on social media, adding it to a presentation, or backing it up for safekeeping, having easy access to your creative work is incredibly satisfying. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now confident in navigating these steps on your own. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these processes, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy creating.